If you have $0 right now, this is the fastest legal way to reach your first $1,000. Most people think investing is step one. That's exactly why they stay broke. Let's be clear about something most people don't want to hear. When you start with $0, the rules are different. Advice like investing early, letting compounding work, or putting money into stocks every month assumes one thing: that you already have money. If you don't, that advice doesn't help. It just wastes time. You can't grow what doesn't exist. So the first goal is not freedom, it's not wealth, it's not passive income. The first goal is cash. Investing is powerful, but only after income exists. Most people reverse the order. They try to invest first, they try to save first, they try to build assets first. Then they wonder why nothing changes. Here's the truth. Investing multiplies money. It does not create it. So if you start from zero, investing early doesn't make you smart, it keeps you stuck. The correct order is simple. Create income first, build savings next, then invest. Skip the first step and everything else fails. There is one rule that simplifies everything. Cash comes before assets, always. This isn't motivation, it's reality. Every financially stable person followed this rule, even if they don't talk about it. They earned first, they invested later. The fastest way out of financial stress is not higher returns, it's control. And control comes from having cash available. That's why your first $1,000 matters more than your first investment. So how do you reach that first $1,000 fast? You don't build a business, you don't chase passive income, you don't wait for algorithms. You sell a simple service that already has demand. Services work because they cost nothing to start. Someone pays you directly. Payment happens fast, and the skill level can be basic. You are trading time and effort for money. That's not a weakness, that's a shortcut. The best services have three qualities. Someone already needs them, they save time or effort, and they don't require credentials. Examples include short-form video editing, social media posting, outreach or appointment setting, simple design work, or basic virtual assistants. These are not dream jobs, they are money jobs, and money jobs fund freedom later. At this stage, speed matters more than passion. This is where most people overthink. They believe they need a website, a portfolio, or years of experience. They don't. They need conversations. The fastest way to get paid is to contact people who already make money. Small businesses, online brands, local services. You send simple messages, not perfect ones, just honest ones. You offer help, you offer a free sample, and you let results speak. Action beats confidence every time. Now here's the part most people ignore. $1,000 is not a dream number, it's math. 10 people paying $100, 20 people paying $50, 40 people paying $25. That's it. No luck, no virality, no secrets, just numbers and consistent action. When you understand this, money stops feeling emotional and starts feeling logical. Once you earn your first $1,000, everything changes. You stop guessing, you stop panicking, you stop feeling powerless. Now investing makes sense. Now planning makes sense. Now scaling makes sense. But none of that happens without the first win. If you want the next logical step, turning your first $1,000 into real financial momentum, subscribe. This channel is about clarity, not hype.